I have a question for you. Do you move away from a loss with the same intensity as you move toward a gain? That's a question Daniel Kahneman answered in his 2002 Nobel Prize winning work on decision making. And in his 2011 book, Thinking Fast and Slow, Kahneman introduced the general public to something called prospect theory. While I probably can't do Kahneman justice, I'm still going to give it a try. And what I want to share is how prospect theory applies to your sales conversations. So what Kahneman did was he measured the psychological value that people assign to gains and losses. I want you to check out this graph for a visual depiction of prospect theory. What Kahneman found is that people are at least 2 times more motivated to move away from a loss as they are to move toward a comparable gain. Now, loss aversion is a social psychology concept that's been proved over and over again since Kahneman first introduced it. Now, what this means is that your sales conversations can't solely focus on the gain your prospect is going to get from your product or solution. Before you extol the virtues of whatever it is you're selling, you also have to show your prospect the risk and the cost of not changing. This means you have to show them that while they might feel comfortable with the status quo today, they don't get to stay there. As things change in their industry, if they do nothing, they will actually fall behind. This loss, not moving forward while the industry does, will have twice the emotional impact. And when you show them how their status quo has become unsafe and unsustainable, then you have the powerful emotional impact of risk aversion working in your favor. If you'd like to learn more, send an email to the address below with prospect theory in the subject line. And as always, thanks for your time and for your attention.